Subscribe to Mastermind channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates of our videos.
So hi guys, this is Barsha and you're watching Mastermind. So friends, this video is a continuation of our previous video. In this session, we are going to solve ISC Class 11 Mathematics Chapter 1, that is sets, and we are going to continue from number 5. In our previous video, we are done till number 4. So we are going to cover the rest of the sums, whatever is left out. So number 5, rewrite the following sets in the indicated notation. So whatever is written here, you need to write accordingly. So first one, -2, -4, -6 and -8. You need to write this in words. So friends, if you see these numbers carefully, then these are all even numbers and you can see minus sign in front of everyone. So they are negative even numbers. So you need to write this in words. These are negative even numbers. Next one, you have to write it in set builder form. So what is set builder form? You need to write in this way. As I am writing, x is such that x is less than 0 and x is even. That means x is such that x is less than 0. You can see everything is less than 0 because here you can see minus sign, and x is even because whatever is there, all are even numbers. So you need to write x is such that x is less than 0 because all these numbers are less than 0, and x is even because all these numbers are even. Next one, number 2, positive multiples of 11. So you need to write the multiples of 11 and all the multiples that are positive. And you need to write it in roster form. So friends, if you have watched our previous video, I have already said you what is roster form. You need to write all the elements in roster form. Just like this. So positive multiples of 11 are 11 ones are 11. You need to write the multiples, that is table, 33, 44 and so on. These all are positive. So these are positive multiples of 11. Next number 3, -9, -7, -5, -3 and -1. And you need to write it in set builder form, set builder notation. So here you need to write x is such that x is greater than equal to 9. X is such that x is greater than equal to 9 and x is less than equal to -1 and x is odd. You can see all these are odd numbers. -1 is odd number. After that 2 is not there. 2 is an even number. 3 is also odd. After that 4 is even. Then you have 5 which is odd. 7 is also odd. 9 is also odd. So these are odd numbers and these are negative numbers. So x is such that x is greater than equal to 9 because -9 is also included here. So x is greater than equal to 9 and x is less than equal to -1. X is less than -1. Here it will be -9. X is greater than equal to -9. And x is odd because all these numbers are odd. So you need to write in this way. Next number, even numbers between 27 and 39. So you need to write all the even numbers that comes in between 27 and 39. So the numbers are, you have to write it in roster form first. So I'm writing in roster form. Even numbers between 27 and 39. That means 27 and 39 will not be included. You have to write all the numbers that comes in between. So it will be 28 and even numbers. So 28 is even, then 29 is not even. 29 is odd, so you need to write 30. After that 32, 34, 36 and 38. So these are all the even numbers that comes in between 27 and 39. And then you have to write it in set builder form. So friends, again you have to write it in this form. So you have to write number B. X is such that x is greater than 27. And friends, here you don't need to give equal to sign. It is not clear. I'm writing it again. X is such that x is greater than 27. Because here it will not be equal to sign because this does not include 27. You need to write all the numbers between that comes in between this and this. So here equal to sign will not be there. But here -9 is there. So equal to sign is there. X is greater than equal to -9. So here it will be x is greater than 27 and x is less than 39. That means it is still 38. So this is how you need to write. Now next number 5, x is such that x is greater than 0 and x is less than 1. That means x is greater than 0, x is less than 1. So you need to write it in words. So you need to write x is less than 0, x is greater than 0, sorry, x is greater than 0 and x is less than 1. This is your number A. And second one is roster form. So friends, this cannot be expressed in roster form because in roster form you need to write the elements. But here there are no elements. X is such that x is greater than 0 and x is less than 1. So numbers is not there, so you don't have to write. So you can write that roster form cannot be expressed. This is P. Next one, you have a number line given and you need to express this in roster form. So you need to write the elements that are there. So in the number line, you can see that three numbers, you can see clearly that three numbers are marked. So these are the three numbers that are the elements in the roster form. So you need to write -3 and then this one is circled. So this one, 1, and then you need to write 5. So these are the numbers that are there in roster form you need to express. Next one, number 7, negative multiples of 3. And you need to write all the negative multiples of 3 in set builder form. So you need to write it in this way. X is such that x is equal to -3n. And here n is a natural number. So friends, here you can see x is equal to -3n. That means you need to write negative multiples of 3. So -3 and n is a natural number. Natural numbers are the numbers that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and ... So if you put here 1, then you are going to get x is equal to -3 into 1 is 3. So you will get -3. So -3 is a negative multiple of 3. If you put 2 now, then you will get the value of x as -6. So this is also a multiple of 3. If you put the value of n here 3, then you will get 9, -9. So this is also a negative multiple of 3. So you need to write it in this way, and here you need to mention that n is a natural number. Next one, this is again a number line and you need to express this in set builder form. You can again see the numbers. This is marked. So you need to write x is such that x is equal to 2 because there are no other numbers. So only 2 is circled. So x is such that x is equal to 2. Next number 9. Numbers more than 2 units from 8. So more than 2 units from 8 means 8 plus 2. So you need to express this in set builder form. So in set builder form, it is going to be x is such that x is equal to 8 plus 2. 2 units from 8. That means you need to add 2. So x is such that x is equal to 8 plus 2. This will be your answer. Number 10. X is not equal to 5 and x is less than equal to 10. So you need to write this in set builder form. So here you can see x is not equal to 5. So you need to write x is such that x is greater than 5. Because you can see here x is not equal to 5. So x will be greater than 5 and x will be less than equal to 10 as mentioned in the question. So this will be your answer. X is such that x is greater than 5. 5 will not be included because x is not equal to 5 and x is less than equal to 10. It is mentioned in the question. So this will be your answer. Number 11. Y is such that y is equal to 5x minus 2 and here y belongs to natural number. N is natural number. So you need to express this in roster form. So here y is natural number. That means if the value of x will be 1, then you will get, or you have to apply all the natural numbers. So if you put x as 1, then you are going to get 5 minus 2. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you will be getting 3. Now if you put value of x as 2, then you are going to get 5 2s are 10 and 10 minus 2 is 8. If you put the value of x as 3, then you are going to get 5 3s are 15 minus 2. That is 13. So it will keep on going. So you need to give ... and then this will be your answer. Next number, that is number 12. X is such that x is equal to 3p plus 1 by 2p minus 1 and p belongs to whole number, w is whole number and p is less than equal to 5. And you need to write this in roster form. So here as you can see here is whole number. That means whole number starts from 0. So you need to apply 0 first as the value of p. P belongs to whole number. So firstly we need to put here 0. So if you put the value of p as 0, then you are going to get 3 zeros as 0 and you will get 1 here and then down if you put 0, 2 zeros will be 0 and minus 1 will be there. So you will get minus 1. Now we need to put the value of p as 1. So if you put the value of p as 1, then you will get 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. So you will get 4. And here if you put 1, then you will get 2 ones are 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So you will get 4. So second value will be 4. Similarly, you need to put 3. So if you are going to put 3, then you are going to get 7 by 3. If you are going to put 4, then you will get 2. Then you will get 13 by 7. And then you are going to get 16 by 9. And it is p is less than equal to 5. So it will be till here. Next one, state whether each of the following sets is finite or infinite. So you need to state whether the following sets are finite sets or infinite sets. So the first one, so friends, here if you talk about finite sets, that means finite means anything which has an ending. But if you talk about infinite sets, then it does not have ending. Let's see. First one, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So this is your x-axis. This is your x-axis. So you can draw many lines, right? There is no ending. So this is infinite. So this is infinite. Now next one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. I am writing I for infinite and I am writing F for finite. The set of letters in the English alphabet. So this is limited. This is finite set. Because there are 26 English alphabets. So this is limited. So this is your finite set. Next one, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. So the set of numbers which are multiples of 5. So it will keep on going. 5 1 to 5, 5 2 to 10, 5 10, then 5 11. It will keep on going. So this is infinite. Next one, the set of animals living on earth. So friends, this is also finite set because this is limited. Next one, the set of circles through the origin. So friends, this is infinite. You can draw any number of circles in the origin. It is not limited. So this is infinite. Next one, the set of whole numbers greater than 0. The set of whole numbers greater than 5, this is also not limited. So this is infinite. Now next one, the set of natural numbers less than 1 billion. So this is limited. All the natural numbers that are less than 1 billion. So there is a restriction. It is limited. So this is your finite set. Next one, the set of integers between -4 and 4. So this is also limited. So this is your finite set. The set of rational numbers, next one, number 9, the set of rational numbers between 0 and 1. So friends, you have already done this linear inequalities in your class 10. So this is easy for you. You know what are rational numbers. If you don't know, I am once again telling you, rational numbers are the numbers that also includes point. Suppose the numbers are between 2 and 4. So whatever numbers are there between that, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, all the numbers are included till your 3.9 and then you will have 4. So all the numbers are included. So the rational numbers between 0 and 1, this is infinite because it cannot be counted. So this is infinite. Now next, from number 7 till number 12, we are going to do it in the next video because the video has become too lengthy. So it is not possible for us to do here only. So we will be making next video in which we will be doing the rest of the. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. And do comment us if you have any doubts or queries, then we will be helping you. Thank you.